Hey LifeNGaming, what's going on? LifeNGaming here today, and today I'm coming at you today with something that's actually been kind of requested of me to do. It's a welding video. I've been wanting to do this for a while, just now got the chance. Right now I will turn the camera around in just a second so you can see what's over here. So I've been grinding on my my log splitter, like wire brushing it down, and I just started priming it for paint and stuff. So yeah, let me finish priming it and then I'll come back at you with what I'm going to do next. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video. So we got it all primed. Yeah, looks pretty good, I guess. That right there is going to be a control pad. The hydraulic cylinder will hook up here, and then I got the wedge over there, which I got to do some welding on, which I'm about to do here in a second. This is where the tractor will hook up. Got the pins lying around here somewhere. Yeah, that's basically it. Alright, so now it's time for some welding. Let me get my thing. This some bitch is heavy. Basically, I'm going to do welds right here, and then I'm going to smooth these welds over all around here. Yeah. I would use my automatic helmet for this, but it's a little loose around right here. So I'm just going to do regular helmet, which I can't see through if I put it down, unless I'm welding.
Alright, so I want to take this time to thank y'all guys for all y'all support on my channel and everything. Been wanting to do these welding videos for a while now. I just haven't had the chance because everybody's been in the shop. This is the first time I've been here on my own. My dad's down at the barn, so there's still teachers here. But like, I'm in the shop on my own, so I can record in peace. But I do want to say thank y'all guys so much. We're almost at 100 subscribers. If we can hit that like before the spring, that would be amazing. So go share this channel out with all your friends, family, all them people who you think would enjoy my channel. But I just want to say thank y'all guys, and if we can get 2 likes on this video, then we'll do another. So thank y'all guys so much, and enjoy the rest of the video.
So, I'm done all the weld, and this one was not a good weld. It was the shittiest weld I could have ever done. These over here are pretty good welds. So are these. Yeah, they're pretty good. I mean, they're not the best, but they'll work. They'll look better when they're painted, so yeah. I'm gonna let that cool. Go check on this over here real quick. Yep, pretty dry. All right. Time for the black spray paint. Let's go get that. Alright, now that we've got that done, let's go check on this. See if it's still burning hot. Yeah, it is. You know what? Fuck it. Let's do it. So we got that primed and painted. We're letting that paint dry, so we turn it over and paint the other side. Already priming that, which goes right here and clamps around this so it slides up and down. Actually, it clamps on the other side, but oh well. Yeah, so when that dries, I'm gonna place some film.